Welcome to MyFitnessPal 101. In this video, we'll show you how to log food to your diary using the app. Your app has 4 main logging tools: Search, Barcode, History, and Meal Scan. Let's start with Search. When you open up MyFitnessPal, you'll see a home page like this. At the bottom of the app, there's a section with several icons, including a plus sign. Ready to log? Tap the plus button, then tap Food, and choose which meal you're logging, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. We'll choose dinner for this example. In the top bar, you can type in the food you want to log, and chances are, we'll have that exact food or something very similar in our database of over 11 million foods. Let's say salmon. Once you hit search, a list of results will appear for you to choose from. If you had 1 fillet of Atlantic salmon, you would click here. Before you're ready to log the food, you'll get a preview of all the nutrients and macros, a useful feature that we'll explore in another video. In this view, you can also edit your serving size and the number of servings for the most accurate results. After that's all done, you can click the check mark in the top right to add it to your diary. And just like that, your meal has been logged. Have more food to add for each meal? Keep adding directly to your diary with the Add Food feature under the Meal category. Another great way to identify your foods is with the Barcode feature, which you will find in the same place as the search. Once you click the Scan Barcode button, it will open up your camera so you can scan the barcode on your store-bought items. The search function is fast and easy, and before you know it, you'll see an exact match in your diary. Black beans? Check. Next, let's review the History feature, a popular way to log meals that will make your tracking journey even easier. When you're ready to log a meal, you'll also see a list of previously logged foods underneath the search bar. You can toggle this to be most frequent or most recent, but we'll keep it as most frequent for now. This feature is extremely useful because the more you log, the more this list will represent your favorite foods that you can choose from. Last but not least, our newest and most revolutionary logging tool for premium members on iOS is called Meal Scan. On the same page, tap the Scan Meal button. This will open your phone's camera so you can scan the actual food itself, like magic. This one speaks for itself. It's a game changer if you ask us. Now that you've learned a few new tips and tricks, it's time to start logging. And remember, the more you log, the more you learn, so you can make smarter choices and reach your goals.